the distance. The favorite Yellow Goose Ka Buko Juice. For third choice, One Bahamas, also selling Black Parade, Magnolia's Classic, and Go-Go, Snake Go, Snake Go. Anytime now, race number 8. One Bahamas. Now finally inside, all set now, ready to race. Race number 8 here at Sutherland Club's Leisure Park na Cavite. Away they go. One Bahamas from the outside. Black Parade, Lady King rushing up. Magnolia's Classic, Yellow Goose Ka, and 3 number 7. Rosemary Blue. It's now Magnolia's Classic, followed by Black Parade, One Bahamas, Lady King on the outside. Yellow Goose Ka is running in fifth from the outside. Sixth position is Rosemary Blue, and Buko Juice down on the inside. Go Snake Go, Snake Go second last, while May Bukaspa is running at the tail of the field. Magnolia's Classic, Black Parade, Lady King is running by Drell. One Bahamas, Yellow Goose Ka, and Buko Juice is now running in 6 by Drell and Rosemary Blue as they race the last 450. Magnolia's Classic, Lady King, Black Parade, Yellow Goose Ka, Buko Juice running by Drell as they race the last 250. Lady King on the outside. Magnolia's Classic, Black Parade, Buko Juice on the further outside. Go Snake Go, Snake Go by Drell, Buko Juice and Lady King. Magnolia's Classic, Go Snake Go, Snake Go, and nearing the finish line, Buko Juice, Magnolia's Classic, Go Snake Go, Snake Go, Lady King, Black Parade.